Hi everyone, my name is Sabine. I'm an intern here with Coral Restoration Foundation, the world's largest nonprofit marine conservation organization dedicated to actively restoring the reefs in the Florida Keys. In this video, we're going to be talking about how carbon dioxide in our atmosphere affects our corals underwater. Before we get started, if you all want to follow along, you will need white vinegar, baking soda, a flask or other bottle with a narrow mouth, and a balloon. Feel free to pause the video to go grab your stuff. Alright, got it? Awesome, let's get started. First, pour your vinegar into your flask. I'm using about a half an inch of vinegar here. And then spoon about a teaspoon of baking soda into your balloon. You might need a little bit more or a little bit less baking soda depending on the size of your flask and how much vinegar you have. Make sure all of the baking soda goes all the way down to the bottom of the balloon. Now carefully place the balloon over the opening of the flask, but be careful not to get any of the baking soda into the vinegar just yet. Once you have it secured, lift the bottom of the balloon to pour the baking soda into the vinegar. Now what's happening here is the baking soda is reacting with the vinegar and creating a gas called carbon dioxide. The longer the reaction happens, the more carbon dioxide is entering the balloon. Now let's pretend that this balloon is our Earth's atmosphere. Chemical reactions all around the world, such as those from burning fossil fuels, release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. When the atmosphere gets full, the carbon dioxide is absorbed into our oceans. Now, what does this have to do with corals? Well, corals have limestone skeletons, like this one, that they build using calcium carbonate from the water. When the water has more carbon dioxide in it, it's more acidic, and the corals have to use more energy to build their skeletons. And their skeletons are also weaker and are at a higher risk of dissolving in the more acidic water. And this is detrimental to our coral reefs because the corals can't properly build their skeletons, and it can reverse hundreds of years of previous coral growth. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in this experiment. I hope you learned about how carbon dioxide affects our atmosphere, our oceans, and our corals. If you want to learn more about chemistry and coral reefs, meet my fellow interns in their awesome videos also on this page. Please follow us on social media and head over to our website, coralrestoration.org, to find more ideas for how you can get involved and tips for how you can help save the coral reefs from your home no matter where you are in the world. Bye everybody!